Good morning. So it's a new day and new energy. So it's 8 in the morning. We woke up pretty early today and got ready. We skipped swimming for now because we need to go to Cabo de Rama beach and fort. So we're ready. We are in the resort right now and heading to uh, breakfast. So they have a small buffet kind of breakfast. So let's see what we get. But the restaurant is beautiful. So the restaurant also has an outdoor sitting. It looks pretty good. It's lush green in here, and there's beautiful sitting. And there's also this restaurant in here. Quite a fancy restaurant. There are not too many people as we are still early. This is a big one. Pretty good one. Okay, yeah, that looks fancy. Let's see what we have for the breakfast. So we have this tea, coffee, looks like jam, butter, curd, pickle. We have idli, sambar. We also have aloo paratha. We have baked beans. And some grilled tomatoes and hash browns. That's good. We have some cornflakes and we have some orange juice. There's some fresh cut fruits, watermelon and papaya. Yeah, it looks pretty good. It's a good start to the morning with this beautiful view. So let's try this. Idli first. They don't really have the chutney and they have the sambar here. This is good. And hash brown. This is really thick. Basically, this is mashed potatoes, and this is really thick. Okay, kind of thing. And we have the grilled tomatoes. So yeah, small buffet but decent one, and it works to start the day. So next we got is the aloo paratha, curd, pickle, and there are some baked beans, and these are the rajma beans. So let's give it a try. Aloo paratha is pretty good. This is good. And now let's go try to beans. They're good. And overlooking this beautiful view. This is basically a road. Of course, there are only a few people traveling through this road that come to this resort. Otherwise, it's more like a private area. And a pretty good start. So we have checked into this resort called as Sea Breeze. It is in Varka Fatadi area somewhere. And the resort is pretty cool. I mean, it's big, it's nice, and the room is decent as well. So we'll do a quick room tour and then we'll freshen up and let's move out. Entrance, there's this self-lighting closet, locker, and we have this good comfortable bed, and we have a work desk as well just right next to the television. There's an extra desk in here. I'm not sure for what this piece is about. The bathroom smells pretty nice. It's pretty clean and decent. And the best part about this room is that we have a balcony in here that overlooks the garden area. It's greenery everywhere, and there's a huge pool that side as well. So pretty good room. Kind of like this room. It's decent. It smells nice. It has this television in here. Good lighting.